Hello everyone. Welcome to our second part of this static website deployment on AWS. If you haven't watched our previous video, you can go and watch and you will learn how you can deploy a static website on a private S3 bucket and then use the CloudFront to give it a CDN or global reachability. So that's what we have done here. You can see there's a like URL doing CloudFront. So that's a AWS CloudFront default URL, and we have deployed it like and set it up perfectly on the cloud front. Now we will move to the next level. In this step, we will learn how we can add the custom domain to our CloudFront URL, plus how we can assign a SSL to it. Okay, open your CloudFront distribution and click on edit. In settings, click on edit. I want to assign it some domain. Okay, so I will add the name here. For example, I want it to be demo111 dot saurabh bhargav dot xyz. One thing to note down is I have this like domain. I have already purchased it. I need to modify the DNS records. Okay, so I will add this item. Okay, so this is already done. Next step is creating the SSL. I have already added my domain for any subdomain part to be like it has the permission. ACM has the permission to generate certificates for any subdomains for my domain. Okay, so how you can do it? You will go to request certificate. Okay, so once you are inside your certificate, you need to click on next. Okay, add the fully qualified domain. So here either you can give a subdomain, or like I did, you can give a star here. Okay, and after that, once everything is done, you will be prompted with the DNS records. Okay, and you need to add them in your DNS registrar details. Okay, so for me, as you can see, I have okay, so these are the details that I added on my DNS records, and that's how my like AWS account is getting validated from ACM. Okay, so this is how you can get this done. Just I will click on this one. Okay, so this validates it. Yes, it has the permission and this can be done. I will click on and nothing more needed from my end. Okay, so this will be, yeah, root, everything will be same. Now there's one more. You might have seen, okay, now this is not working. So there's a reason, because I haven't added this inside my DNS record. So what I need to do, I need to copy this. I need to go my DNS registrar, click on add, and I will assign it a CNAME. CNAME generally specifies for if it's a normal number. Okay, because I'm using a subdomain, then this will be my subdomain, and the entry after that will be taken care by the like DNS records itself. Okay, so because I'm already inside my domain, so I don't need to specify that it's .saurabh.bhargav.xyz. Okay, after that I will paste the details. Just make sure you remove this, only this part is needed, and click I want to reduce it to 1 minute. Let's see, click on save. Okay, so this part is done from here. Let's retry to reload it. There's something is happening. Okay, all right guys, after 5 to 10 minutes my website started working, and as you can see, I have successfully shifted my CloudFront like AWS provided URL to my custom domain. So it's very simple. Only a couple of simple steps are needed. In next video, for future video, I will show you how you can enable the firewall for your CloudFront. It's also very simple, and I will also show you guys how you can use the error pages when we want to deploy a static website or static front end for any application. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.